Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric scooter under $700. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and I've included options for every type of customer. So if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description below, and also make sure like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Brand name, Daybot. Model number, Hxx6. Hxx6 is a foldable electric scooter, a new choice of commute and casual going out. Powerful motor and large capacity battery ensure your trip perfect. With bigger headlights, highlight LED while light, escort the night and ride safer. The 200-watt power motor give 15 to 25 kilometers maximum range, 25 kilometers hour maximum speed, and 15-degree angle climbing. This scooter's maximum load 120 kilograms, net weight 9 kilograms, and charging time about 2 to 4 hours. Detachable battery safe to transport. Folding design with a lightweight body, convenient to store and portable to carry everywhere and use at any time. Bluetooth 4.0 technology with Bluetooth speaker, long standby, anti-slip tire, shockproof spring, and other features are waiting for you to explore. LCD data display screen in the handlebar showing riding data. Easy to fold and unfold, 65 into 12 into 25.9 centimeters folding size, 4-folding design, space saving and portable to carry. 5.5 inches solid rubber tire, with anti-slip texture, high road holding ability even on the slippery ground. Lightweight but tough aluminum alloy body, durable to use. Number 4. Brand name, Janobike. The electric scooters are alternative to quickly get you to your destination in urban areas, instead of waiting for the bus, train, and other vehicles. So Janobike electric scooter is one of the heaviest e-scooter in markets. Features like battery power, motor power, speed, all this thing make you fall in love with this e-scooter. It can bear up to 120 kilograms weight on smooth terrain. This scooter is very fast and has a maximum driving speed of 45 kilometers. It can take 8 to 10 hours to fully charge. The scooter can hold a person well over 120 kilograms, which is nothing short of awesome. It has some really off-road tires. The tire size is 8 inches, which give you both smooth and rough road riding. Its foot platform is large and easy to stand on. Equipped with both front and rear disc brake, which gives you not only good but reliable braking. The scooter is made out of all aluminum alloy, which is well known to be a very durable substance. The scooter has a lithium-ion battery with a voltage of 48. The scooter has a 200-watt brushless motor. This type of motor gives you more control when you can at high speed. One more feature in this scooter is it has an option of an adjustable seat. It is laced with an ultra-bright headlight, a rear reflector, and a bell for an extra secured ride, be it day or night. Number 3. Brand name, KUGOO. Model number, KIRIN S2. 8.5-inch tire, taking into account the shock absorption and safety, riding more comfortable. It has a 7.5 mAh high-capacity lithium battery, which allows for a longer range and higher speeds. The strong driving force, 350-watt motor, maximum 25 kilometers running distance. Maximum supported weight 100 kg, maximum speed 25 kilometers hour, and charging time 4 to 6 hours. Featured 3-level adjustable speed settings to meet your preferences. Download the app and pair your KUGOO ES2 e-scooter via Bluetooth. It allows you to access controls on your fingertips. powering other mobile devices with a built-in USB port. The headlight consists of a wide array of bright LEDs allows safer rides during the night. LED strip on the side of the chassis allows riders to be seen in low lights. Comprehensive electric and disc brake system allows a safer ride. 3 seconds fast folding design, stable and convenient. 112 into 33 into 43 centimeters folding size, space saving, and portable to carry, easily cope with heavy traffic. Aluminum alloy plus ABS plus PC material provides sufficient insurance for your driving safety. Number 2. Brand name, KUGOO. Model number, KIRIN S1. 8-inch honeycomb tire anti-skid tire, strong grip, wear resisting and safe. It's suitable for different kinds of roads. 3-speed running modes. You control the speed with one key according to the different road surface conditions, which makes driving more comfortable and riding more security. 1 key for speed control, 1 is for braking, and a monitor for you to check the control information. Strong power 350 watt motor, 25 kilometers running distance, 15 degrees steep angle. You could check the speed, mileage, time, power, stop, voltage, etc. information via the display screen. Bright red light to ensure your night riding safety. Front and back shock mitigation system can help you enjoy a comfortable riding. Help to get a tiny size when the scooter is folding. 3 different height to adjust to height to 930 millimeters, 1070 millimeters, 1160 millimeters. It could fit for different people. Number 1. Brand name, RUIMA. Model number, Mini 4 Pro. Highly water-resistant body and motors. There are 2 headlights with which increases visibility greatly at nights. They are mounted low on the footpad and doesn't blind other people in the traffic. Net weight of this scooter is 17.5 kilograms. It has rear drum brake. This strong power electric scooter gives maximum speed, 45 km/h, maximum load 120 kg, and charging time 30 minutes to 3.5 hour. Brake light that really helps others keep track on when you're slowing down. A good backlit display that shows speed, distance, battery, mode, and more. Different speed modes to choose from to accommodate both beginners and advanced users. It is one of the most reliable electric scooters on the market and is trusted by some of the leading scooter share companies in the USA. Make your commute the most fun part of your day with the RUIMA Mini 4 Pro. A perfect choice for riders popping to the shops or short distance travel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.